Is it me you're looking for? Hello there. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by IDNhair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now before I get into this install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from IDNhair, or I Define Natural Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Let's go ahead and get this joint on because I feel like it's going to take not too much work at all. I think I'm only going to use one product for this wig, and yeah, we're gonna be able to style it. Make sure you read your care cards. It tells you exactly what you need to do to keep your wig in tip-top shape. I be trying to read it now, but some of y'all don't be reading and then be telling me the wig is trash. Sis. Tell me you messed it up without telling me you messed it up. This parting space is looking real good. I just flipped that joint over and it's looking nice. Okay, I need to put some oil on my scalp because my hair it's a little dry. Like that. And like that, ooh, ooh, ooh. Waste not, waste not. Rub that all in. I also ordered some more of those wig caps from Amazon. If you have a big head, gang, gang. I'm gonna leave the elastic band on and the adjustable straps, I think. Yeah, let me loosen it just a little bit, like that. And we're gonna put it on. Okay, okay. The curls in this unit are like a Shirley Temple look. We're gonna do a little work because I don't like how that's looking on me. It's a little bit too perfect for me. So first, let me just pull it back in the ponytail. Y'all see how easy that went up? Look how easy that went up. And it's flat in the back. Wait a minute, y'all, that is flat on both sides. On both sides. I'm not mad at that. Let me just pin her up in a little claw clip. If you see my other videos, you know that I like saying that word. I also ordered some mousse, but it's not gonna be here till today, and they're running late, so I gotta make this stretch. So we're gonna try, okay? We are gonna try. First, let me cut this lace off my ear. Why am I taking my glasses off? Because I cannot see. So it's about a little bit right there. Just this part, okay. Okay, cut the lace from around my ear. It pretty much fits my head perfectly. I see how that lace is sitting on my head and the edges are frayed, so it's gonna melt down perfectly. Cut it in 3. A lot of you guys be asking me how I cut my lace off, or you know, tell me how you're having issues cutting your lace off. I have so many videos of me cutting my lace off, so if you have not checked out my how to lay my wig playlist, go ahead and do that. All those videos are on there. How this wig is fitting on my head right now, I would definitely say she's big head friendly. It's pretty much a perfect fit around my hairline. All right, let's go ahead and put our mousse on, the Nairobi mousse. That's what we're using. Move that all in. Let me bring these sides down. I want my temples to go further down than the widow's peak that's on this wig. So that's why I'm doing it like this. I think. I can't really see, but I'm hoping that's what's happening. Oh, they got a band too? Okay, okay. I'm not mad at you, IDN. Okay, let's do this way. Oh yeah. Okay, so for the hair texture, like I said, it already comes in these Shirley Temple curls. It's a little bit too perfect for me, so let me just do a test. Let me put some water on the one right here in the front, and I just want to see how, like, what happens when it combs out. So when you comb them out, they get a little loose. Now it says on the card you can style this wig out the pack, so that's why I'm doing it this way. You can definitely go in and wash your wig, but make sure you're following the care instructions on the card so you don't do anything you're not supposed to do to this wig, okay? So I'm gonna use a little bit of my mousse here. Okay, that's all I can use because I gotta save some for the other side. I'm gonna put water on the rest of it. Comb it out, comb it out. Pretty sure I just went in and put some water on the hair and did it that way, I wouldn't have to take so long doing this. So you can go ahead and do that. You don't have to do the spray bottle like I'm doing. I just didn't want to get up. And because I was combing the hair while it was dry, I did get more shedding than I probably would have gotten if I combed it while it was wet. If you have a lot of shedding in your wig, just add some moisture to it before you comb it out or detangle it so you don't have as much resistance against that brush, okay? All right, let me do this side so I can see how much mousse I have left. Now for this side, I'm gonna spray it down with water, and then I'm gonna do the mousse on top. I'm gonna leave the curls how they are. Let's see if there's a difference in how the curls look. Like I told y'all, less resistance, clump the ends. So this side was a lot easier to get together than this side because I brushed that side out first. This side is definitely a lot lighter because I did go in and detangled the hair. This side is definitely more defined because I just clumped the curls as they were. So this is what we are working with. The hair is pretty much all one length. So I don't know how this is gonna fluff out once I try to fluff it out. I may need to do like a side part situation to give me the look that I want, but we're gonna see once I, you know, fluff it out. First, I'm gonna let it air dry while I do my makeup, and then we'll come back and style this unit up together, okay? Be right back. Okay, so the hair is pretty much dry. We're gonna dry it a little bit more in a second, but first, let me take off my band. Ooh, uh-oh. It's attached to my hair. God dang. Pulled out my daggone hair. Put the glasses on top, the lace, like this. Okay. Okay. Some of the hair is a little too long. Let's pull that out. I probably need to do a little tinting up here, but not too much. Use a little bit of my contour. Perfect. I think I may want to do a side situation to show off that parting space. I didn't tell y'all in the beginning, but this is a 3D 13x6 cap, and that means this cap fits down a lot better than your normal or your standard cap. Like, it doesn't give you that flat look on the sides. It has a more three-dimensional shape to fit to your head, which is why mine was so close to my nape. Like, it looks really, really good. So I like that a lot, IDN. I really do. I do need to put some contour right here. Hold up. And when I say 13x6, like, it gives you the actual 13x6, even on the sides. Y'all know most of the wigs be stopping short on the sides. Nope, IDN gives you scalp, okay? The track is right here. So you can definitely do a deep side part if you want to. Let me get my comb. Just comb it down, make sure it's gonna stay where I need her to stay. Put my lace back down, hold up. Put some mousse up here, make sure this is gonna stay over where I need her to stay. Like I said, there's no layers in this wig, so I need to kind of make it look like it has some layers. Get this back where I need her to be. Where's my brush? Put some more mousse right there. Let's pick her out a little bit. So from the root on top, and then you're gonna go under like this. Hold on for dear life. She's slipping and sliding around my head. I could spray her down just right here. Sometimes a little meltage is necessary for the look that you want. But I'm gonna leave my sides as they are because I don't need to do all that. My hair is down, so. Why am I doing this with no glasses? Child. I'm gonna use a little bit of my knot eraser. I'm gonna use these two colors right here because some parts are looking a little ashy. I think we got it. Let's do a little bit more right here. There we go, yo. There we go, yo. Use a little bit of my contour. Look up. Get this line together. Thanks, Sherelle. Simply Sherelle is the one who put me on to that. Look up in your mirror, in your lighting, so you can see that line of demarcations. Get under that lace. Make sure she good. Y'all. Hold on. Let me do a little bit more lip gloss. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Where's the lace? Where's the lace? it's speaking for itself, okay? I can't complain about this wig whatsoever. IDNhair is definitely solidifying themselves as one of the more high quality, high price human hair wigs in the, you know, in the wig community. So if you're looking for a high quality wig and you don't mind paying, you know, that high value price, definitely check out IDNhair. I'm not sure if they have the pay in full or whatever. If they do, that'll be that'll be great. You can already see from my styling and what I did to my wig, the upgrades on this wig are a lot more than something that may be more affordable or that you may find more affordable on my channel. The lace, the hairline, the bleach knots, like what knots? What knots, y'all? This is scalp. This is, y'all see that? Or do you not see it? This is a scalp. That single knot action up in there, the parting space, the cap construction, the fit of the cap, the curls, these are considered their 2-in-1 curls. So as you can see right here, I have like these curls right here, but then you can also have these curls, how they came out the pack, okay? This wig is high quality, the top of the top. Okay, wait, before I get out of here, I had to come back with day 2 hair. Y'all, my sides are not all the way down, but I did spray her down mostly around the front. I want you guys to see how that's looking. Y'all, she looks good. I also moved it down a little bit on my forehead. It was a little bit too far back on my initial install, so I just wanted to move her down a little bit. This hairline, y'all, looks amazing. I didn't do no baby hairs, no swoops. I just put it on my head and then sprayed her where she was at. So how the hairs fell on my head, that's how they melted down, okay? It's a little shiny from that spray, but I ain't too worried about it, okay? We know it's a wig. Y'all know I had to come back with my half up, half down real quick. And this is looking, this looks good. And the curls are still under here, the ones that were more defined out the pack, and then the ones that I defined myself are on the top. So day 2 hair, day 2 wear. This is a good wig, y'all. I did get some tangles in this wig, especially when I went on this side to kind of rake my fingers through. I'm getting some snags on the ends, and that's because I didn't detangle this side. This side, no tangles at all. This side, I'm getting tangles. Because these are tightly curled out the pack, you will get some tangles and some snags during the co-wash, but once those are out, follow the instructions on your care card and you should be just fine, okay? Yeah. Listen, Daddy Papa, hey baby. You gotta throw that baby in there to get him excited. Like my girl Shanice say, treat him like a celebrity. Cause you know you about to ask for some money. Add her to the list. I like it, y'all. I really do like it. And y'all see this deep part? This deep side part. It's, y'all, that's a vibe. If I want to do like a half up, half down, I would still give part all the way across the daggone wig. Y'all see this? Do y'all see that? IDN. Yeah, it's hot. Ooh, child. The looks are putting me in heat. But y'all let me know down below what you think about this wig. Shout out one more time to IDNhair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.